Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step procedure on how to download the Cisco Packet Tracer Simulator and set it up on your system. So first of all, open any search engine you have at all, then type in netarcade.com. Okay, so once this interface open, click on login over here, select login. So if you have an account already with Cisco Academy, you can just log in. But if you don't have an account, you can create an account by signing up here. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in. So put in your email. Okay, log in. So put in your password. So after authenticating, it's going to open the interface. Okay, so this is a learning environment. So once you are here, come to resource, click on download packet tracer. So let's come down to this part. Okay, so this is the specification you need to consider when downloading this software. All right, so the first one says Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2 64-bit. So if your system is 64-bit operating system, then this particular option is okay. Then if your system is 32-bit operating system, this particular option is okay. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can verify these specifications from your system. Okay, so the first one says computer with one of the following operating systems. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, this is okay. Ubuntu operating system, or if you're using Mac OS operating system, this option is okay. So also consider this central processing unit. So well, my system is not really AMD, but if you're using AMD, is okay. If you're also using an Intel, is also okay. All right, so make sure that your system is up to or at least 4 GB of RAM. So RAM is the memory at which applications run simultaneously on a system. Okay, so have at least 4 gig RAM and above. Then also from your hard disk, you should have at least 1.4 gig space for the package tracer. Okay, so option 2, the same thing. The difference is just this is an 32-bit operating system. Okay, and okay, for this you can have at least 2 gig of free RAM and 1.4 gig of free disk space. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how you can locate this from your system. So come to Windows Explorer. I've already opened mine, but if you don't have, you go to your desktop, you see Windows Explorer. Okay, so this is Windows Explorer. Click on this PC. Come up here and click on computer and come to system properties. So from this interface, you see that I'm running on Intel instead of AMD, and it still works fine. Okay, so if you have Intel or AMD, it will still work very fine. and my RAM is 8 gig RAM. So, but recommended is 4 points. So their list is 4 points. So I have 8 gig RAM. So that means I'm overqualified for it. Then also 64-bit operating system. That is what my system is running on. So this is also okay. I think this is just the three options they gave us. And also they said Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so my Windows is Windows 10 Pro. All right, so my system is uh okay or eligible for using packets Cisco packet tracer. So let's go back to the site. So if you come down here, you will see Windows desktop version 8.2.2 English. Then for Ubuntu, we have this. For Mac OS, we have this. So if your system is Mac, you click on here to download. If you are using Ubuntu operating system, you click on this. If you are using Windows, you click on this. So Windows has 64 bits and 32 bits. So remember, mine is 64 bits. So I'm going to click on this to download. So once you click on it, it's going to start downloading. So it will start downloading. Okay, but I'm going to pause this because I already have this packet tracer. So once you finish downloading, you're going to see it on your downloads. Okay, I don't know where you save your download files, but mine is on my downloads. So if I come to downloads, I'm going to see the packet tracer. Okay, so double click on it for it to run, or right click and click on open. So either you double click on it or you right click and click on open. So once this dialog box open, click on I accept the agreement, then next. Now you can choose a path where you want to save this file. Okay, I'll just leave it at the default path here. Then click on next, next. Now it's asking if you want to create a desktop shortcut for this app. You can choose yes, or you can create a quick launch shortcut. Okay, so let's just leave it at the default. Install. Okay. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. Okay, so the installation is done. Click on finish. So let's go to our desktop and open up the packet tracer. So once this interface open, for you to be able to access the packet tracer studio, you have to log in using your account. Okay, so you have two options here. You have the Net Academy and also have the skill for all. Now first of all, I would recommend you toggle this. Now it says that this is going to keep you logged in for 3 months. Now they also give you a warning here that it is not recommended if you are using your packet tracer for public or shared computers. So this is just for private use. Okay, so just toggle it on and click on this particular part. So once you click on it, it's going to tell you that login is in process. So if you watch here, it says that you have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may now close this tab. So we can close this and go back to our Packet Tracer down here. Okay, so now I have access to the Packet Tracer. If you watch, everything is toggled on. So can use this. These are all the devices we have on Packet Tracer. So we'll be seeing how to use these particular devices in our class. Okay, so this is the Packet Tracer simulator environment. Okay, so this is the environment where we're going to be creating different types of topology and be doing our connections and configurations, and we'll see how our communication is going to happen between network devices. All right, so thank you guys. See you in my next video.